Q8819. A bent cooling fin on an aluminum cylinder head should be A. Sawed off and filled smooth. B. Left alone if no crack has formed. C. Straightened out as much as possible without breaking. The correct answer is B. A bent cooling fin on an aluminum cylinder head should be left alone if no crack has formed. Cooling fins on cylinder heads are designed to optimize heat dissipation. If a cooling fin is bent but no crack has formed, it is generally not necessary to perform any repairs. As long as the fin is intact and not impeding the airflow, it can continue to function effectively. 8820. Where are cooling fins usually located on air-cooled engines? A. Exhaust side of the cylinder head, inside the pistons and connecting rods. B. Cylinder head, cylinder walls, and inside the piston. C. Cylinder head, cylinder barrel, and inside the piston. The correct answer is C. Cooling fins are usually located on the cylinder head, cylinder barrel, and inside the piston of air-cooled engines. These fins provide a larger surface area for heat dissipation, allowing air to flow around the engine components and carry away the heat generated during operation. 8821. How do cowl flaps aid in cooling a horizontally aircraft engine? A. Recirculates air through the engine cylinders. B. Directs air through the engine cylinders. C. Controls the amount of air flowing around the cylinders. The correct answer is C. Cowl flaps aid in cooling a horizontally aircraft engine by controlling the amount of air flowing around the cylinders. By adjusting the position of the cowl flaps, the pilot or operator can regulate the airflow through the engine compartment. Opening the cowl flaps allows more air to flow around the cylinders, increasing cooling effectiveness. Closing the cowl flaps reduces the airflow, which may be desirable in colder conditions to maintain optimal operating temperatures. 8822. The position of the cowl flaps during normal cruise flight conditions is A. Closed. B. Open. C. Neutral. The correct answer is A. The position of the cowl flaps during normal cruise flight conditions is closed. During cruise flight, the engine typically generates less heat, and the airflow produced by the forward motion of the aircraft is usually sufficient for cooling. Therefore, it is common practice to close the cowl flaps to streamline the aircraft and reduce drag. 8823. Generally, a small crack just started in a cylinder baffle. A. Requires repair by reinforcing, such as installation of a double over the area. B. Requires no action unless it grows or is branched into two cracks. C. May be stop drilled. The correct answer is C. Generally, a small crack just started in a cylinder baffle may be stop drilled. Stop drilling involves drilling a small hole at the end of the crack to prevent it from spreading further. This technique helps to stop the crack's progression and can be an effective temporary solution until proper repairs can be made.